Hello, YouTube. Well, yesterday I did something interesting. I took my the board out of my main computer and moved it up into this computer in preparation for what I'm saving up for. What I'm going to do is save up for a socket 1155 Sandy Bridge motherboard and either a Pentium dual core or i3 processor for that machine, and put that in my main computer. Right now I have a G41M ES2L in my main computer that I probably won't be using very much, since this is what used to be my main computer. It has pretty much the same hardware as the ES2L board had installed in it. As far as peripherals go, I'll show you what's in here. This is the ES3G board. Has the Masco cooler on it, 8 GB of DDR2 RAM. Everything you saw on the Lee & Lee case video, that's the board that's in this computer now. As you can see, it's full ATX and everything. And with the lots of PCI slots, and I have a single Western Digital Caviar Black in this build. What I'm going to have to do for the new build is save up for a cooler, a DVD drive that's SATA, the board, and the processor. So I've got a long hard head. I even connected up the floppy. So I have a working floppy drive in this computer, which I find kind of amusing but useful at the same time. So yes, we'll leave that like that. The hardware, as far as the hardware that's in this computer, Windows 7 Professional, and 8 GB of RAM, and a Core 2 Quad Q6600 at 2.4 GHz. I haven't overclocked it because I've had bad experience with overclocking in the past, and I don't really want to, yeah. But that's what I've done with my computer so far. So I'll just use this computer up here instead of down in the basement, and yeah, this will just be my main computer that I use for a while until I can get the Sandy Bridge build together. In here I have a TV tuner card just because I could put it in there, and a an EVGA NVIDIA GT240 with 1 GB of RAM on the card itself. So it's a good card for a budget one. I also have that D-Link Wireless G card in there as well, with its big antenna. So I just thought I'd give you guys an update on what I'm doing with my computers. I'm doing weird things with them right now, but it'll all be worth it. That Sandy Bridge build is going to be fast. And the funny thing is that if I put a Core i3 in there, it will run circles around this Core 2 Quad, even though you have 2 less cores, even though it's dual core hyper-threaded. So that'll be interesting once that's built. But for now, this is what I've done with my main computer setup. I've just moved it into this case up here. This is the case it used to be in, so the board is back in its home again. Anyhow, that's it for now, and have a good one, everybody. Ciao.